Once again, it's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. So first off, let me give a shout out to everybody that's been keeping up with me lately. And today we're going to talk about mint. So this one is dedicated kind of to my homegirl over there at White Flowers Homestead. If y'all haven't checked her and her twin out, and I mean twin, y'all need to go over there and see what they doing. They just started their little channel, but everything's coming along nice. They doing some big things over there. But she had a question about mint and how often do I water it and things like that. So honestly, this right here, this is overwintered mint. Okay. I don't water my mint on any type of a regular schedule or anything like that, to be completely honest with you. Our climates are way different though. I'm out here in the middle, and if I'm correct, if I remember right, you're out there in Arizona, I think, and if I got that wrong, I apologize. So basically what I do is whenever I start my mint, I just kind of put it in, let it do its thing. I don't baby it because it's so, it's so invasive basically. Make sure to keep it in a container, and it survives. Its roots are hard to kill. They say you can't kill mint, which you can. I've never killed this, but I did kill some peppermint, so I guess I'm pretty special for that one. You're not alone there, White Flowers. But as far as like a watering regimen or anything like that, don't really do it. Now sometimes in the heat of the summer though, it does dry out and the flavor goes down, things like that. But usually what I'll do is, since they get root bound real quick, that's one thing about mint, it will get root bound really quick, so I make sure to just soak it from the top and then also water it from the bottom. So hopefully that helps a little bit, but that's about all I do. So what I'm gonna do here today is, I've got this here, like I said, it's overwintered, right? And got me a couple of pots as usual. And all I'm gonna do, this is how I restart my mint, as a matter of fact. This is all that I do. I am not gentle with it at all. Here we go. Gotta get a new pot. This one's going to the recycle too. Okay, there's the proof of the root bound. Okay, if y'all see me jumping, there's a horsefly flying around here, shadow the size of a hawk. Alright, so there we go. Not gonna do anything special. I'm actually putting it on there. You don't have to do this, but it's living proof. And there is a lot of bugs in here, but that's another story. Alright, y'all ready? You can take a knife if you want to, or something like that. I don't have anything on hand except for this here. Oh, there goes a worm. Are y'all still watching? Can y'all still see me? See your boy? Now, I'm telling y'all, especially if you're new to the gardening game, this may look terrible, right? It may look like I'm doing the most, but this is how I do it. Now, you're probably like, yo, that's just a little piece right there. But watch. Alright. So that is transplanted. Now, I got to put some extra dirt in here, right? But to save time, I'm just showing you. So I'm going to do that to all of these. And today is the 29th, I think, of March. And we'll check up on these, okay? So instead of doing them all, That's basically what I do right there. And that little bit will fill out this pot in absolutely no time. So, all right, appreciate y'all hanging out with the kid once again. All right, y'all. So, I thought I'd come back to show you one more time. So, you remember how big that clump was? Sorry for the dirty fingernails there. That's pretty nasty, but oh well. I cut this in half, right? And this is all there is. So, since I'm using a bigger bowl, I just want to show you exactly how this goes. Hold on. All right. So I'll be getting these great ideas, and I'll be having the right amount of soil and stuff. So let's get it popping. All right. You want to see that better? All right. And here's some of the roots that I cut off. So just trying to fill this up with whatever I have. Down to my last here. Let's see if I can find some more. Hold on. All right, y'all. Here we go. Now this is me being gentle because I want to take my time so y'all see exactly how this goes. But normally, just like on the other part, I'm just ripping through this for real. There you have it. So we've got 4 new plants. Well, actually more than 4 new plants, but you know, we split the big one into 4s, and this is what it looks like. So there you go. That's simple. So we will check back in probably, I don't know, week or 2 weeks at the latest, maybe as early as another week. So I just want to show y'all, man, it's not hard to do. All right, so that's it for today, and I got love for those that got love for me. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, man. I love watching your videos. I love what we're doing as a community. So with that said, peace, and I'm out. Much love from the middle of the map.